Okay, this is Jill, and today I'm making a really nice lavender swirl. So that's a really nice lavender from Heirloom. So we'll be using a 10% water discount, actually 15% water discount, and I'm just mixing now the lye and the water together in this. I have refrigerated the water so it's quite cool, but what I'm going to do is, once this is mixed, I'm going to add that into my hard oils, which are, I've got coconut oil, 250 grams, palm oil, 200 grams, and about 60 grams of shea butter, so a little bit heavier on the shea butter. And then there's the canola oil at 350. So yeah, so there's 274 grams of water and 120.64 grams of the crystals. So now I've mixed all of that together. So now I'm going to actually pour that in to this, as you can see, and I'm going to pour these hot lye water over the oils, and the heat from the lye water will melt this down quite quickly. And I've added in there, to help with bubbles, a teaspoon of sugar, and to add with the hardening, a teaspoon of salt. So it doesn't take a lot, but a little extra of that really makes a difference to your bar. Makes it a lot more bubbly, that little tiny bit of sugar. So I'm currently mixing that around, as you can see. It'll take a little while, but we'll get that all melted down, and then we can blend that straight in with the canola, which, as we know, is already liquid, so we don't need to worry about that one. So just keep stirring this around. It's quite a nice way to melt your oil, because it's quite nice stirring it around. It's a good thing to do. So once we do this, I'm actually going to add in some coconut milk powder. I just put it in with like probably 2 teaspoons. Again, that helps with the bubbles and helps with the cleansing aspect of it, and also makes it a creamier bar as well. I'm actually going to use some titanium dioxide to make some part of the batter white, and some purple mica, which will make it a purple and white swirl, which adds goes well with the lavender fragrance. So we're getting there slowly but surely. Just keep going and get to the end. If you've got there's a few lumps left, you can use your blender to blend that all out if it's, you know, if you're getting impatient. But I buy a lot of fragrances from Heirloom and also Aroma, and sometimes Aussie Soap suppliers, because they have lovely, all their fragrances are good quality. Sometimes they, you know, you can't get the fragrance you want from one, so I actually did a big order yesterday for some fragrances. Because I sold a load of candles and some soaps, and I'm running low. So yeah, so this is, you can see there's not a lot left. There's a bit left, but we'll get those all melted down. So if you're looking to expedite the lye process, this is the way to do it, rather than have to sit for it to get cool and heat this up in the microwave. Just put your hot lye water in, and yep, we're pretty well done. Yep, that looks good. Yep, that's looking really good. So I might actually just put the canola in here. It's probably Yep, there's plenty of room in this bucket for that. I wasn't quite sure when I was looking at it. But yep, no, that's plenty big enough. Just make sure I get all the oil out. I'm not leave any behind. So give that a bit of a stir. That's that. Now we'll put in the heap teaspoon in, that should be plenty. So, take a bit of a stir. I'll give that a bit of a stick blend, and that'll get a bit loud, so I'll just turn this around. Stick blenders over this side, move that out the way. Right, so that's come up to a nice trace, and I won't overdo it for now because I'm going to split that off into colours and fragrance. I'll just use one jug. Anyway, let's pour some of this in here. It's really thick. So we'll just use those two. So it's washing up. Now, put that in, see how that goes. Needs a little bit more colour. I'll just add a smidge more. Right, so that's the colour. It's very thick. So I suspect when I put the fragrance in, it'll go very quickly. Now I'll whisk the white. That should do. Right. Let's move these colours out the way. I actually was thinking of doing a bit of pink. I might tip a bit in here and do a bit of pink as well. A bit pink. Pink, mauve and white. That should look nice in one of these log moulds. Yeah, it's the tiniest bit of this one because it goes absolutely crazy. Let's mix that in by hand. Need a smidge more, so let's use the end of the spoon. Anyway, let's just get these colours in and add some fragrance. So I'm going to put a little bit in here. To pour that into the mould straight away. this out. Go. There we go, a bit better. So that's those done. Now I need to just bang it all down. Paper towel, clean up. I'll wait for it to set up a little. Just put a little bit of it. It makes it look pretty and it washes off straight away. So there we go. Come up really cute. A bit of glitter looks good. Anyway, now we'll go and let it rest and have a look at what it's like tomorrow. So thanks for watching.